Case study based question related to the chapter similar triangles. There is a staircase as shown in the figure connecting points A and B. Measurement of steps are marked in the figure. Give answers of the following question by looking at the figure. This is a figure. Here there are 4 stairs 1, 2, 3 and 4 and each angle equal to 90 degree and the sides 2 centimeter 1 and so on. Now give the answers of the following questions. Now the question number 1 is the common angle in each staircase. हर staircase में कितना डिग्री एंगल है 90 डिग्री. This is the right option. ये तो देखा. Which is the correct similarity criteria applicable for staircase 3, 2 and 3? Okay. Which similarity criteria? Here is a figure. The stairs second and third. Which is criteria? This side equal to this and 2 and 3. Each side 2 equal to 2 and 1.6 is 1.6. These two sides are equal. It means the ratio is the same. And the including angle in both the stairs is 60 degree. It means which is criteria? SAS. Side including angle and side. This is the criteria, similarity criteria. The right option is S, A and S. Which concept is used to find the distance between A and B? The each angle 90 degree. By which concept you will find the distance between A and B? You can find the distance A and B. These are the right angle triangle. Opposite this hypotenuse. You can find, suppose these points are C, D and E. So the length AC you can find by using Pythagoras theorem. CD, DE and E. All the distance between A and B you can find by Pythagoras theorem. The right option is Pythagoras theorem. The straight line distance between A and B is. These are the options. Now you can find the distance between A and B. Now the distance between A and B is first AC equal to under root 2 square plus 1. It means root 5. 2 square plus 1 square. In this CD 2 square plus 1.6 square. It means 2 to the 4 plus 2.56 square of 1.6. It means under root 6.56. And third one same DE under root 2 square. The sum of the squares of two sides equal to hypotenuse square 6.56. And third EB under root 2 square plus 1.8 square. 2 square is 4 and 1.8 square is 3.24. 7.24. Then AB equal to sum of this root 5 plus 6.56 plus this and plus 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equal to AB. The option first is right. Root 5 plus root 6.56, root 6.56 and 7.14. This option is right. And the last, the sum of the area of each staircases. सारी staircases का sum निकालना है एरिया का. कैसे निकालेंगे? 1/2 base into height. These are the right triangles. It means area of triangle 1 is 1/2 2 into 1. The area of first staircase 1/2 2 into 1. It means 1. Staircase of second 1/2 2 into 1.6. It means 1.6. 1/2 base into height. Base into height. Similarly third 1/2 2 into 1.6. It means also 1.6. And last fourth 1/2 2 into 1.8. 1.8. Now add all these staircases. Now you will get 6, 6, 12, 8, 22, 6. The area is 6 The sum of the area of each staircase is 6 square unit. Okay. Thank you.